The body is made out of food, it needs foods, right? The body is made out of water, it needs water. The body is made out of air, it needs air on a regular basis. For an example, if the body is not provided with the air or with water or with food, let's say about some minutes or hours or days or months, for an example, if the food is not provided to the body for literally say about 3 4 months or 5 months, what will happen with the body? It will die a horrible death. It will be a new death each and every second for the body. It will be a very, very horrible death. This is what is exactly happening with the mind. The body is made out of food, water, and air. It literally needs it on a daily basis. Exactly the same way, the mind is made up of energies, the mind is made up of memories. It needs it constantly. The mind is literally made up of energies. It needs the energy source. It feeds on the energy source, and that energy source is meditation and spirituality. As said in the previous video, that in the state of enlightenment, a human being gains memory, and in the state of depression, a human being loses memory. Just because in the due process of spirituality is gaining energies, that is why it's gaining memory. And when a person does not walk on the path of spirituality and does not meditate, he is losing energy. That is why he is losing memory. What is an emotion? Energy is in motion is known as emotion. Emotion is nothing but energy. If an emotion is connected to a particular part of an information or memory, that's when a human being is capable to remember that part of the mind in memory. That means it literally needs energy. And today's human being is not providing energy, it's food, it's source to live. That is why the mind is dying a horrible and terrible death. It is like a million deaths each and every second. Exactly like if the body is not provided with the food, it will die a billion death each and every second. The human body will die a very, very horrible death.